Hi guys, we're back for more gadget unboxing, and this time I bring you another DOTPAD tablet, but this time I'm sure you'll be refreshed with this, the DOTPAD Mango. I'm Mika and welcome to Panadios TV. Today, I'll be telling you about the DOTPAD Mango. The DOTPAD Mango is your newest choice in terms of quality, performance, and features with its 3GB of RAM and 32GB of ROM. Plus an expandable storage up to 128GB for your extra files such as photos, videos, and documents. Download your apps and play games smoothly with its Quadcore Android 9.0 OS plus a vibrant 8-inch IPS LCD display, good for watching videos online and offline. You don't have to worry when you're on the go because with its 5000 mAh of battery capacity, you can have a tablet as good as a power bank for you to enjoy more playing, watching, and downloading. Now, we go to the camera portion with 5.0 megapixels front and 8.0 megapixels back. Here are the sample shots of the DOTPAD Mango. So now, let's see what's inside the box. So, we have the DOTPAD Mango itself, the unit itself, then the freebies. We have a charger, earphones, cable, and leather case. Ayan. And we have the leather case. And also, we can never forget this, the warranty card and the user manual. So now, let's see what the DOTPAD Mango is capable of. So you see we have you can call people here. You have the Play Store for downloading games. You have already downloaded YouTube, Gmail, Google, and Google Chrome. So that's really just it for the default. So we also have Candy Crush, Subway Surf, and Temple Run. Oh yeah, we also have WeChat here. That's really it. Talaga. Wow! I accept. So where you can buy the DOTPAD Mango is you could click the link down below or visit us on our Shopee or Lazada, or you could visit our Facebook page. For faster transaction, and the price of the DOTPAD Mango is, drumroll please, is 4,000 pesos only. Again, this is Miko, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are updated when we post. Thank you. Goodbye.